Making is in our DNA. It's what defines us. But along the way, many of us stopped making things for ourselves. Now is the time to rediscover that spirit and bring back personal manufacturing. So what exactly is a personal manufacturing hub? Well, that's me, the Bambu Lab H2D. And behind me are the Johnsons. Let me show you how they're realizing their personal manufacturing dreams. Hey, Mr. Johnson, what are you working on?
I'm making a custom bike saddle and helmet. I need gear that's sturdy, comfortable, and perfectly fit to me.
All right, let's talk shop. To make this custom bike saddle, we're going to use my dual nozzle system. I can print with 2 different materials simultaneously, rigid and soft. This means the saddle can be printed as a single piece with soft cushioning built right in. Now, onto our bike helmet. Let's get your head measurements. Look how we were able to print the entire helmet all in one go. Now, let's go make some reflective decals. I'll cut them perfectly to fit around your helmet. With me on the job, you're getting the helmet you've been waiting for.
Let's take this for a ride.
Ride like the wind, but maybe don't go too fast. We're still figuring out how to 3D print Band-Aids. Hey Jane, what's up?
I'm all about personalizing my look. You see, I'm trying to make a pair of sneakers that are gonna match the color of my outfit. This thick TPU seems tricky. How do you handle a design this complex?
With my AMS, I can dry and maintain materials in optimal condition, which is crucial for TPU printing. I've got a servo motor extruder that keeps everything precise. No extrusion errors, just smooth, flawless surfaces.
All right, now let's go make some shoe soles.
With my BirdsEye camera, I can sync the object to your screen, ensuring the cutting line lines up precisely. What you see is what you get. So what do you think, Jane?
These sneakers are awesome. The cutouts make them super breathable and the edgy design is totally my style.
Timmy, what are you up to?
I'm working on my costume for a cosplay convention I'm having next month. But I'm having some trouble with the chainmail. Can you give me a hand?
I'll see what I can do.
The costume is going to need a large piece of chainmail, even bigger than the printer bed. How do I deal with these tricky supports?
Don't worry about removing support and size limitations. You can fold your chainmail design into layers, allowing you to print an extra large chainmail all at once. Watch as the supports dissolve in the water. Ready for the finishing touches on this epic armor?
But these pieces have a lot of curves. Can you still engrave on them?
See that? Even on curved surfaces, I've got it handled.
This leather will strap the whole piece together.
Looking sharp, Timmy. Don't forget who helped you crush the cosplay contest. Hey, Mrs. Johnson. What you crafting?
It's my friend's birthday tomorrow, and I'm making a butterfly lamp and a wooden birthday card.
All right, let's bring this butterfly lamp to life. We'll use my dual color nozzle to print in multiple shades.
Impressive. It switches between colors so smoothly.
For the birthday card, let's use one of your drawings as the design.
What about the laser? Is it safe?
Don't worry, the laser-proof windows keep you safe while giving a clear view inside. I've got an adaptive air system that maintains air quality while cooling and ventilating during tasks.
It's reassuring to know everything's safe while I work. Wow, it's gorgeous.
Your friend's gonna love this gift.
I think I'm gonna have to make one for myself now.
With Bambu Lab H2D, rediscover the joy of making and turn your boldest ideas into reality. Welcome to the new era of personal manufacturing.